The area of a base of a cylinder is 154 centimeters. The volume of a cylinder is 770. What you have to do is you want to find its height. Okay? So to find its height, what we need to do is volume equals area of a face multiplied by length. Okay? And area of face multiplied by length. So volume equals area multiplied by length. Now, does anybody remember what we did yesterday? Where I could have like two circles, if you will. So two circles, one, and then I could have a second one up here. And then what we could do to get the area is the following. We could, you can join them together and they obviously form a cylinder, okay? Now, you get the area of the front face, which is 154. And then you multiply it by the length and you find out what the volume is. So you're going to get 770 equals 154 multiplied by L. L therefore is 770 divided by 154. What's that? Anybody? Sorry? 5, is it? 770 divided by 154. And what we get there is 5. So L equals 5 centimeters. Okay, next question. Number 8. The volume of a cylinder is 360 pi centimeters cubed. If the radius of the cylinder is 6, find the height. To get marks, write down the volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. This pi r squared h equals 360 pi.
If you get the right answer, you get all marks.
Yeah, when you get the right answer, you get all the marks.
Would you have to write out that? Get all marks?
It'd be a good idea to write out the formula so you know where to scaffold it, okay? So yes, Farrell?
If you guessed it correctly,
again. Now, what happens is radius is 6, so it's going to be 6 squared times h equals 360. 6 squared is 36. 36h equals 360. Divide 360 by 36. H equals 10 centimeters. Okay. Next one. A cylindrical metal pipe has an external diameter of 6 centimeters and an internal diameter of 4 centimeters, as shown. The pipe is 1 meter long. Find the volume of the pipe in centimeters cubed. Now, what you have to remember about pipes is they're hollow. This 4 centimeter part here, it's actually a hollow. Okay? So what we're going to imagine happening is this. What we're going to imagine happening is that we have two cylinders, okay? So we have a cylinder, we have the big cylinder. That actually looks more like the small cylinder, to be fair. Right, the big cylinder. We're going to get the area of the big cylinder, okay? And then what we're going to imagine is we're going to get the area of the small cylinder that would be inside it, okay? And then we take the first answer minus the second answer. And that's basically drilling in a hole. You're taking out a small cylinder out of the big cylinder. So volume of cylinder A, or volume of cylinder A, is this is the big one and this is the small one. Okay, pi r squared h, which is pi times the radius is 6 squared, the height is a meter. We need to change a meter into.
Radius not 3 squared.
Oh, sorry, you're right. Excuse me, guys. The diameter is 6. The radius is 3. Good spot, Brian. Okay. So please remember, when you're getting the radius, it's half the diameter. So the diameter, the radius of the big cylinder is 3. I have 3 squared multiplied by 100 centimeters. So what's that in terms of pi? 900 pi. Anybody? 900 pi. Keep it in terms of pi because you're going to take the volume of B away from the volume of A. Once again, pi r squared h. This time the radius is 2 squared multiplied by 100. The volume of B is 400 pi. This means that the remainder is 500 pi. And 500 pi is, anybody? 500 pi is the same as, you can use your calculator to convert it.
500 pi.
Okay, 500 pi is the same thing as 500 pi, but what we need to know is what is it in decimals.
1570.
So 1570.8, let's say. Now, was there any instructions on that question to tell us how to keep the volume in centimeters cubed? We did that. The mass of the pipe, find the mass of the pipe in kilograms if 1 cm cubed is 9 grams. So, this is cm cubed. 1 cm cubed is 9 grams. Are we expecting our pipe to be heavier or lighter than 9 grams? Heavier or lighter, lads? Heavier. How many times heavier? 1570.8 times. That's how much bigger it is than 1 centimeter cubed. So we're going to get 9 and we're going to multiply it by 1570.8. And what we get here is it's going to be 14,137.2. 14,137.2 grams or kilograms? Grams. How do I change that into kilograms?
Teachers, please leave your absence sheet outside the door. Thank you.
Okay, divide that by 1,000 to change it into kilograms. When we divide by 1,000? 14.14 kilograms. Round it up to 14.14. 14.14 kilograms. How many people got that one? Okay, well done. Now, a cylindrical pencil holder has a diameter of 4. This means its radius is 2 and a height of 14. Taking pi is 22/7. Now it's important to make sure that you take down what they want you to use for pi. Find the volume of the holder in centimeters cubed. Let's find the volume of one holder. It's a cylinder, which means it's pi r squared h. 22/7 multiplied by 2 squared multiplied by 14. Can anybody have the answer for that in their calculator?
176 centimeters cubed.
176 centimeters cubed. Does everybody agree? Yeah? Okay, we agree. Now, 8 pencil holders are packed tightly into a rectangular box as shown. Find the volume of this box. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the length of this box?
16 centimeters.
16 centimeters. Because this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. They're all 4 centimeters wide. That gives you 16 centimeters. And what about the bottom? Huh? 8 centimeters. And how high does it have to be? It has to be 14 centimeters high to contain all the cylinders. Okay? So what we're going to get is the following. Volume of the box is length by width by height, which is going to be 16 by 8 by 14. And what do we get here? 1,792 centimeters cubed. Okay. Find the volume of this box. That's perfect, lads. Well done.